going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute since we dropped a video with everything going on right now, but it seems like things are moving back to normal, so we're gonna be back with more consistent content. In today's video, we're gonna be dressing like Jaden Smith. You guys know how these challenges go. We're definitely gonna be trying to pick an intricate outfit that only Jaden Smith will wear. So if you guys are interested in Jaden Smith's style, or if you guys want to see how Jaden Smith dresses, you guys might want to stick around to the end of the video. Now, I know a lot of you guys have been suggesting a lot of celebrities for us to do, but we specifically chose Jaden Smith for this challenge because he has a more intricate, artistic kind of style, which would be perfect this time of the year because you're limited with the kind of clothing you can wear. You can't wear too much layers, and you can be limited with like only shirts and like pants and shorts. So Jaden Smith will be a perfect artist to draw inspiration from. Yeah, his style definitely captures more of that skater-esque kind of vibe, but he also throws in some skirts. We're definitely gonna be trying to stay away from that today. We're definitely gonna be trying to choose an outfit that captures more of that skater-esque vibe in this challenge. And we're gonna also be sticking to $180 because we don't want to definitely go over budget, and we're gonna try to do one outfit for this challenge. Now, I actually think we should do two outfits because it's gonna give you guys more options in this challenge, and it's gonna give you guys more variety of outfits that you guys can choose from. Now, speaking of outfits, I actually found this outfit on Pinterest. This was a really sick outfit. I think he's wearing like a vest, and he has like a really black t-shirt underneath with like some really sick pants. I think anybody can add those pants to your outfits, and it's definitely gonna add some drip to your outfit. And the shoes has like a chunky kind of vibe. You would not expect to wear this in this outfit, but he pulled it off really well, and this is really sick. We're definitely gonna be keeping it in mind as we look at more outfits. Yeah, but looking at this outfit, I already know this outfit is definitely gonna be expensive. Since we're trying to do two outfits, we're gonna be passing on this outfit, even though it breaks my heart. And looking through Instagram and Pinterest, I'm noticing Jaden Smith's style is more focused on pants because he has a lot of interesting pants. He has a lot of like graffiti marks, like painting, or like different kind of distressed kind of pants. Like for example, this outfit right here, he's wearing like a casual navy pants, but it has like a bunch of designs on it. I don't know if he made those designs himself or like the pants actually came with the design. Yeah, like that pants is really sick to me. And he just threw like a denim Louis Vuitton jacket on top. Damn. Which is like drip, but it kind of like takes away from those pants because like it's too hot. But the jacket alone is around $2,000, and it's definitely out of our price range. The pants has like a really intricate design on it, but I'm not really a big fan of the design specifically. But I found this outfit right here, which I'm a big fan of the pants, and it has like that more NASCAR design on the pants, which is really interesting to me. Yeah, even though this is a more simple outfit, it's just a shirt and a pair of pants, the pants actually has like an interesting design in it, and I've never seen something like that. So we're gonna try to DIY this type of pants, or we're gonna try to find a similar pair of pants that has the same kind of design on the pants. Moving to the next outfit. This outfit still has the same kind of artwork, but this time it's on the jacket he's wearing. It has like the NASCAR design in one of the sleeves, and this outfit is just sick to me. Like it just has a cool like 90s kind of vibe to it, and like even the hat that is on the floor has like that kind of design on it. This is sick to me. I've never seen somebody wear that type of pants except Tyler, the creator. This one is actually sick. I like how he wore it in the outfit. He wore it with like a nice low cut shoe with like a white design on it. But I actually found another outfit for this challenge. This one he's wearing like the same pants in the outfit, but I really like how he incorporated like the hoodie in it. It actually brings the outfit together, and the shirt underneath has like that Travis Scott kind of design with the lightning design on it. This outfit is really sick to me. Everything just flows together really well. Yeah, this is drip. Since we're using the same pair of pants in both outfits, we're gonna try to find that pair of pants first. And just looking at the pants, I know it's gonna be really rare to find it because it's really unique. And I think he made those pants himself, or he probably hired somebody to make it for him. Because like those pants, I've been scrolling through the internet and I can't find anything remotely close to that pants. So we're gonna end up making it ourselves. And I think the pants is actually the Levi's 501. I found it on Old Navy. It was really cheap in that site, so I had to pick it up. And like it has that vintage 90s baggy kind of vibe to it, so we're gonna go ahead and pick it up. And for the shirt, it's actually like a vintage cream shirt, and you can find it on eBay, Poshmark, Grail. We actually found ours on eBay. It's like a Rolling Stones graphic shirt. You could definitely find that on either one of these sites. It was very affordable on that side. It was around like $40 something. So I think you guys should either find it from one of those sites. And for the second outfit, the hoodie we found on Grail, that hoodie was a lot cheaper than the one we were looking at. We were looking at this one from a site called Club Gifted. I think it's actually Club Gift. That one was gonna take like a really long time to get here because the shipping is kind of messed up. Yeah, with everything going on right now, so we end up just picking up the one from Grail. Yeah, Grail. And the t-shirt he's wearing in this outfit has that lightning design and is a vintage t-shirt as well. So you can find it on eBay or Poshmark, but we found ours on eBay, and it was only like $40, so it was really affordable. And the t-shirt underneath, so you don't see that much of the t-shirt anyways. We got most of the packaging in. We're gonna do a quick unboxing to show you guys how some of the pieces look like. And for the first outfit, he was wearing like that vintage t-shirt. We got ours from eBay, and this Rolling Stone t-shirt kind of looks similar to the one he was wearing, and it only cost us like $40, so we're gonna be sticking to this one. And for the second piece, we got this Levi's 501 gray denim. We got it from Old Navy, and it only cost us like $55. Nothing special about this one. It's just a vintage wash, and it's a little bit baggy, so we're gonna be making this like similar to one he was wearing. For the second outfit, he's wearing like that lightning t-shirt underneath. We picked up this one from eBay, like we said. It has like a really interesting design on the front. For the second piece, the hoodie, we picked it up from Grail, like we said. This one has like a really interesting design. We found like a similar design, but that one was gonna take a long time to get here, so we went ahead and picked up this one from Grail. And now we're gonna go ahead and do the DIY to get their pants to look the same like the one Jaden Smith was wearing. The pants actually came out looking drip. Like, this is definitely one of those pants you can add to your closet, especially in the summertime where you're only limited with jeans. This will definitely like add some drip to your outfits, and we're definitely glad to add this to the closet. And altogether, guys, the outfit cost us like $180, so we were on par with our budget. Now for the shoes in both outfits, he's just wearing like a white pair of shoe and a black pair of shoe. We decided to go with this Yeezy 700 V3 Alpha. This is definitely gonna give you a similar aesthetic to what he's wearing. For the second outfit, we're just gonna go with this Yeezy Calabasas in this cream color. It's definitely gonna give you a similar aesthetic to what he's wearing. But you guys don't have to go with both of these sneakers because they're pretty pricey. You guys should just go with like an Air Force One, will give you a similar aesthetic to the black pair of shoe. And for the sneaker, you can just go with like a white pair of Vans or like a white canvas sneaker. It'll give you the same aesthetic. We just do this Dress Like Celebrity challenge to add more like variety to our collection and get more inspiration from different artists. And we like doing these challenges. So if you guys like seeing this type of videos, please guys go ahead and leave a like in this video. It really helps the channel. And I know we've been gone for a minute, but we're gonna be back with more consistent content, more Dress Like a Celebrity, more sneaker reviews. And if you guys like the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel below. And please turn on your post notifications so you get notified when we post a new video. And guys, please drop a like right now on the video, and leave a comment down below. Let us know what other celebrity you guys want to dress like next. I know you guys have been dropping suggestions. We're gonna get to those. And until then, guys, we'll see you guys in our next video.